10 Main Rules for Novice Investors. Hello everyone. My name is Max Prime. Such a topic. At the key moment we will have the stock market and investment in key yourself. Wait. Stock market's investments. In the first rule, invest in one servant. Invest in one boat. They immediately hit on all fronts. Roughly speaking, I recommend buying stocks and bonds, fund and real estate, currency and so on. Bonds also said the motherland. I'll tell the elder about me for an hour. At the end of the video, I'll tell everyone what I know and keep 25% in currency cash. Somehow currencies here 20. Just keep a CC with you. Five. Invest in principle. This is an armhole. I looked at what there is for investors who have invested cryptocurrency. Got rich, told you 20%, confused, settling for work, less worked, more it. My stock will be 25% on high water stock and 75% I will invest. After all, the heroes shed about investments. If you didn't get there, then for a spear on the comments more precisely. Videos in this corner, in the right corner there are such icons, click there and prompts to the second. Anyone can invest and not style. Anyone can invest. Any age. The series can be any and sir can age in together. The role can be any kind of. So far I have tried the same amber for this and the technique is all you can watch videos. At first if you just lag think walks hypotheses should not logo now the future so select. How do I say drafts a pen? A pencil is better than a pencil and enter what I tell you everything. Said the principle of this will help if you have all critical works then you put it written. You have at least some kind of it. Even describe your site even if you are underage. Even if you can also demolish it. I already wrote down that you can get to this currency, and even if you all live very badly, is it possible to make the internet needed for this and the equipment phones were? Then let's write it all over again. I think everyone has pencils, drafts, everything in. You will start at any age. All this can be reinvested at any age. Strategy. For and Fox build a strategy for together. Why do you write everything later as an optimization? CO while editing how they will stand in the site article and enter what is better what. For you try later you can't even be yesterday with and choose yours here. And last buy investments and last buy and not juicy funds or something. Index funds. Yes, I haven't heard much about that. Is the same motility index funds, right? And find the answer in more detail. Number. He has nothing to say about this, but index funds are. How bonds. Recall financial literacy is everything. Financial literacy. The stock market is also with financial literacy as DNA related and so can be invested in. cult currency. So at night, 10 main rules for novice investors. If by the way books about Metaheme can knock out 10 for you, really, this is also a place and read books, too. Knock out right. It's easier for you as much as a caretaker easier for me articles there you can find 10 clans rule up against and that's all. They say I'll add then invest much more precisely, but they don't invest a lot and so it's necessary so that just how can I buy currency? I didn't want to try it and the will is a fighter, but I certainly spent $3 lost them on a hectare sites unfamiliar so this is a deal on the machine you should try it didn't work out, it means another time say it worked for me like you buy the first. You need a bond, it seems that you would definitely 18 need to sign an agreement with a company. Agrees to meet with you as if under tell me online or buy and how much fund. Stock market of shares and you can buy shares without meeting with the company, just buy or a piece for 20. A good term to Rufus a friend of $100 204060,000 or rather, here it is for you to show it all to you. Honestly we take a lot of likes fractional shares somehow everything is done their statistics on the currency map. Buy their falls grows it is easier than Petya's cryptocurrency if you need money. Temple till dawn in cryptocurrency but safe stock option some people still don't know what it is most likely an option so invest before you can keep money in Google stocks further well. After all, YouTube develop over the company YouTube it develops also develops more about tuples. There is YouTube Facebook developing here invest where to see the update most likely. There will soon rise the scene immediately buy so that when it grows the most because, for example, Facebook recently added a function to us functions immediately emoticons added comments new their topics fields. Slightly increased visited more still advertises on YouTube watched ads there is a promotion. That is, a bond and not so often with this sign therefore it is the same with Yandex ITZ seconds. Until retirement. So they didn't take a dog with them. Index funds are like Yandex index funds if something is not just right Cambodia what am I? Did it like this the same topic because you can have it differently at any age. Also if you can invest in your hobby well that is if you have a good talent. This is if we don't have damage tight media chances streamers no chance to do with Pepper Trainer. And a bunch of people to create timidly studied economics often sit just like trading. Like this, that's why it will be hard for streams, so look for your hobby, you can wash it in it. For example me. I figured out I shot before but I don't want to anymore, so Yara, if I understand something, then most likely I will figure out how to create Quitrent aspires individuals in groups and advertise there. Visiting their hands back and forth lead them like this to him to do also in a different way to draw. channel. After all, if you understand, I can understand YouTube, he can understand everywhere, probably like that. Work for us, find your hobbies and you can try the size, but you just need to buy. A lot of awesome cool chips I don't buy now optimization used for free. The name of the video is such a program if we are talking about investing in video by someone. It is unprofitable there to fix you need to earn. You will if you invest it runs out capital this is too little for them. It will become so don't hit any just have fun like that how can I do it? Just a map is from the usual way where not to wash, we go the most interesting thing to buy. Something good in the real life of the internet. What is dangerous site to consider first create your site. Austrian sensations of the most visits more than 1,000 times a month in accurate homes. Per month, but because it's not a difference, they visited only a year more beds per month, otherwise it's cool. More than 1,000 at least for you can buy a site can work there you can't try Rycom yourself and so. Then you can drag it yourself or with scissors. All the videos are also a little bit, so I know if you write in the comments and filler and under your comments to be naked put so that you know for sure they're 50 likes or 500 likes at once feature 5,000. It's only to find him was behind the clan me under so your comments are worth helping us help him. Hitherto to no one. Therefore, the matinee of a tramp is such a reward and comments I receive by the peoples. Already somehow too much with this and so it's just halal for free everyone goes so don't be fooled. For free, our hobby is then a candle, invest in a card, currency, like me, then ears, stocks, then migration here it is index funds and then start a hobby because you probably earn. But preferably up to the income from the still free cube to do which I will pump you. It seems to write more so that we have a choice downloaded it seems a little bit and it will flow to. Learn coconut to develop their drip I'm the milk of the connector immediately it's watching when you were alive money if you immediately heal that you are a mammologist you don't know this topic of varnish 100 grams, for example, you have. There you can touch the clothes you can't touch you can't of course do this and find out how much. You are there if you are not enough frame 990 to 100 MB RAM van 200 grams aware of what is in the know, for example. "100 grams of milk you have on the sand there you do work on your victories videos from a bunch of countries. Rub a lot to invest a lot of sites a lot of you will come in a lot of shops a lot of map people a lot of probably here. A bunch of photos and then PR it will turn out if there is a profitable weekend, you can do it all. Asking for an assessment of the inventory is very important because we can invest it later on our own turn. Well, everything seems to have said this is the most important thing, it is necessary to invest your copy. Still wait until you think you can massage them, but they are free and moreover, when you looking for earning how to earn Alan in this parent on cryptocurrency invest then at Jana C pump free until we reach net income like would be at least $100 a month, we must somehow still be blown up by this somehow or fruit. 77 view itself max risk left right bottom left and right mystic prompt press. Toilet for a long time videos recommendations at the end of the video you will be different Anna's house and videos you can. They will also meet there will be useful for you their investment trading that it is better tradition. Investments there, for example, a composition bond, although where any such thing can be invested. You can even watch some entertaining videos, it will not help you relax and see. By the way, you can tell me the joke is 3 to the old topic, I'm watching the long throne of the Avatar 1-2 part. I the author of the bark also scribble all this, you can look at it differently. It's just a movie it's like try everyone good luck bye.